Did you know there are over 70 cat breeds worldwide? The Maine Coon is one of the largest domesticated breeds. Siamese cats are known for their striking blue eyes. The Sphinx is famous for its lack of fur. Ragdolls are known for their docile nature. Bengals have a striking leopard-like appearance. Abyssinians are one of the oldest known breeds. The Scottish Fold is recognized for its unique ears. Burmese cats are known for their playful personalities. The Norwegian forest cat is a natural breed. Exotic shorthairs look like Persians but with short fur. Each breed has its own unique charm and personality.